So I've just got a brand new ES4 mixer thing from PRESONUS, and it's working quite well. I've got a few inputs over here, but I have a couple of comments. Firstly, these two are connected to my computer. That is connected to a Chromecast device that's dangling over there for watching videos. That I can control the volume, so I've got that on inputs 3 and 4. But the volume for the computer doesn't have an input because it's coming in through the USB. So there's no way actually to control the volume of the computer sound independently, other than doing the master volume or the volume on the amplifier, which is kind of odd. So I mean, it's not the end of the world, but it's just I think that there really should be some sort of way of controlling the input from the computer, surely. Anyways, and the other thing is that, well, firstly, the volume of this is substantially lower than the volume of this. They're both set at 0 dBs. The other thing is that when I go to Phantom Power, I've got a Rode microphone over here, and I switch on the Phantom Power on this software, this universal control software. Then you'll see the levels over here for the microphone are going to go up as soon as I click on here. 1, 2, 3, here we go. So it's up now. If I click it again, it takes about 10 seconds, and then the volume goes down again. But the button over here, you can see the microphone levels are there. When I push the 48 volts thing there, it doesn't actually drop it doesn't switch the Phantom Power off. So I don't know what that button's for. It doesn't actually turn the Phantom Power on or off. You can see the Phantom Power is still on the mixer. So I don't know what that button's actually meant to do. If I press and hold it, it still doesn't do anything. Press and hold, and you can see there the blue light's still on. No, it did nothing. So actually, it seems like this 48V button there does nothing at all. Anyways, those are just some of the comments, but otherwise, the sound seems to be very clean. There's no buzz, which I had before on the mixer that I had before. And it will serve my needs quite well. It's just that there are a few little things that are less than ideal. There you go.